It has got very many beautiful sceneries, including the Ruri Himbita constituency. We have the Mbita Bridge, and we have the Simbi Nyaima Lake Simbi, as you can just know. The Ruma National Park, where the roan antelopes are. These are just beautiful sceneries that are found in Homabay County. The Ruri Hills, that is in Homabay County, as you can just see, my dear friends, my fellow friends, here that is in Dewa. Gor Mahia, which was named after the team, as you can, you all know the team, the Gor Mahia team, that is named after the Gor Kogalo that was in Dewa, as you can just see. Thank you so much, people. Thank you so much, guys. This is Lake Simbi Nyaima, that is in Kindu Bay. Homabay town at large is very big. It's the largest county in Nyanza. This is the largest county in Nyanza, as you can see. This is Tomboya, the Tomboya University. So Tomboya University is situated in Homabay town, as you can just see. This is Homabay town constituency. So Homabay County has got very many beautiful sceneries, as you can just see. We also met the governor of Homabay County, Madam Gladys Wanga. Madam Gladys Wanga, the current governor of Homabay, 2022 election onwards. We are hopeful she will also be there in 2027. Thank you so much, guys. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Support us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. As you can just see, we are still in Homabay County. This is Tomboya University. In Homabay town, as you can just see, guys. Please subscribe. Homabay town has got very many resorts and hotels. So if you're